if you are interested in doing like 24/7 at any point of time, if you are called, you are happy to go and serve it, then it's the right field for you. And if you think that no, I want to do only 8 to 4 or 8 to 5 job, beyond that, whatever happens, I'm not for that. Then, as of now, if you like that, then you have to choose a field in subspecialty where no emergencies, only like stable cases, elective cases are being planned like that. Then you have to choose and go like that.
You are in
And
preparation, right? Yeah.
yeah, I'm doing coronary interventions predominantly, and remaining things we have subspecialties and we refer to them and they do. And but after DM or DNB cardiology, everybody has to do this. And this is the like the basic, and or totally if you want to be in that subspecialty, it's all your wish and how you approach and which place you want to work in. Suppose somebody want to work in a periphery where you have to handle each and every case. It's not like you can just refer it. You can sit there and refer to your friends in the place where they are. That is also there.